Yeah, let's go. I ain't the
Hey
first with the
guys,
curse with the
Mikey
burst
here.
that I wanna
So
be.
today's video is all about getting your hands on Sentinel data as well as similar satellite data. So Sentinel data, as you all know, is by the European Space Agency, and it offers images of pretty good resolution, totally free of cost. It's getting popular day by day, and if you're into remote sensing and Earth observation, I highly recommend this. So for this demo, I would be using the USGS Earth Explorer, which is totally free. You can download the Sentinel data through other mediums such as ESA website and Copernicus. Links for those will be included in the description section below. So first thing first, open your browser and go to the USGS Earth Explorer website. If you haven't already made an account, please take your time and do it. It is a very simple and straightforward process and completely worth it. Once you are logged in, go to the space where you have to enter the search criteria. Here you can either type in the location or you can select the place from the map on the right. I'm gonna try exploring Vancouver in Canada here. So the coordinates associated with our location has already been populated. Now enter the time period you're interested in, that is the start date and the end date. Now click on the datasets and select the type of dataset you want. Here we need Sentinel-2 for this tutorial, but if you want a different one such as Landsat or Equinox, you can always select it here. Once you have selected Sentinel-2 data, click on the additional criteria. This is an optional step. Here you can set a minimum limit for cloud cover if you choose. Now let's view our results. Here we got 2 images for the specified location for the given dates. You can also actually check the footprint of each images to make sure it covers your area of interest, and also create an overlay on the map. Once you have decided on which image to download, just click on the download options and press download. Easy peasy, right? So that's all for today. I hope you guys found my video helpful and is ready to explore the Earth Explorer for downloading some super cool satellite data. So till next time, bye bye guys.